One of the best Chinese ETFs, ASHR, also has attracted to that CSH, but let me just tell you, it was one of the greatest rallies. We featured it, $25 calls. We sold out at the high. We're looking at buying back in. We're looking at buying if we can get hit somewhere around $22 is where we're looking at the entry. It depends. The moving averages are still pointing up on it, and we could get a pop right back up to the high. It's very easily. The Chinese have big stimulus coming over the weekend, so if it's favorable, we go higher. If not, we get to buy cheaper. Whichever comes our way, we're buyers. Again, on this one, we're making a ton of money. Follow us on the channel. We feature the leading ETFs. ASHR is one of them. So once again, traders, sign up. Get our advice if you want. Tell your friends. Buy now, pay later. We have lots of programs. Take advantage of our Chinese entry and exits. Tell all of your Chinese friends. Invite them. Let them learn the programs, how they have super benefits by joining. They do. They save thousands of dollars with us, and they love that. But if they don't know about it, they can't love it. So why don't you tell them about it so they can thank you for it? Go ahead, let's spread the word. This particular one, ASHR, we trade it very actively when the Chinese, if the stimulus package is robust, we go a lot higher.